days in fact. Of course, you must be finding them tiny, sometimes fragile, but of course, when you see their performances, you will know what these martials are. And of course, every lady, whoever would like to learn this martial arts, be Mukti, would like to definitely help them. We have an institution which we are going to start very, very soon with the martial training, of course, which I think that every woman should know what the basic martial training is, just for the self-defense. These martials are going to be in the train, especially right now we are just starting from Western Railway, and they'll be there in the trains definitely along with the supervision of their supervisors. They'll be constantly in touch with their supervisors, and of course we have a support from RPF also. So I'm really thankful to RPF management to support me. I have a support from the police, Railway Police also, definitely. Without their help and without their support, I won't be able to achieve this movement as such. I'll be doing this starting with Western Railway. Of course, I'll be expanding in West Harbour as well as Central Railway. With all of your support and love, I'll slowly increase my my quantity of the martials, and I'll start putting up in the different areas wherever the fear is there. I would like to show some of them their skills as such, whatever they have learned. And I would like to maybe introduce, I would like to call from the audience, I can just call somebody. Can I call you, please? Okay, you have to attack my marshal. I would like to show the skill as such. What, are you ready? You're ready to get hit? Okay.
I am me, Mukti Marshal.
Yes, there you are. Okay, over here, I would like to just tell you, because maybe these movements must be, you must be finding it really very easy as such. But she has, can you just come forward? She has punched some areas of your body. Of course, they are very, very sensitive areas. These are the areas where you just press, where you get, if you press it inside, like of course, person gets, if you can just tell them more detail. Hindi मध्ये सांगा.
आपण जर गळ्याच्या इथे मध्ये जर दाबलं ना एकदम खोल तर त्या माणसाला दुखू शकतं किंवा काही होऊ शकतं.
जास्ती जोरात दाबलं तर आणखीन आपण म्हणजे माणसाचा श्वास पण जाऊ शकतो. करेक्ट. दुसरे कुठले पॉइंट्स तुम्ही हे केले होते? हां, behind your ears are very sensitive points. If you press them really very hard, person really falls back. And these, there are one more point. हां, आणि आणखी कुठे केलं होतं? हां, आणखी आता दोनच. Okay, behind your back, like near the kidney, of course, there are 2 points which are again very sensitive. If you press them, those are also very sensitive points where again person can fall in. Thank you so much. Anybody where I can call? Good. काय नाव तुझं?
स्वाती राणे. मी मुक्ती मार्शल.
Thank you. Okay, she has come. Okay, lovely. Okay, over here she just pulled his clothes in her pant, and she pulled him up, where he loses his balance and then he falls back. Second person, she just holds his hand and just takes him in between two legs so that he loses his balance. So these are the techniques which, of course, these are basic things which I can't show you all the movements. Thank you so much. Thank you. And of course, please continue giving me support. Over here, I would like to thank all my team, and can I call my team on the stage, please? Rahul Thakre, Alvin Rodrigues, Arnav, Aishwarya Thakre, where's Arnav? Arnav is from Third Rock. Of course, he has been supporting from all my causes, and he's been there to support me. I would like to call people from Swastik. Of course, I would like to mention more about them, Swastik Synergy. They've been providing us pepper sprays, and it's been great help for us. We have distributed pepper sprays to most of the press ladies up till now. And over here, I would like to ask people, how many of y'all register in our register? How many of y'all register? In Mukti register, has anybody registered? Okay, so please register your name. You're going to get some gift today evening. So just please register it. And it's for the ladies only. So I can say what gift also. Yeah, you're going to get your one safety weapon, which are pepper sprays, which has been provided by Synergy people. I would like to call Mr. Pimple also, who has been associated with